we will now be looking at the fourth grade grammar and writing portion of our curriculum. And the reason why we're looking at this separately is because the upper grades and some of the lower grades all had about the same type of grammar and writing. Of course, every grade 1 through 8 does have pen time for handwriting. But when I say writing, I'm talking about writing papers like letters and essays and reports. So for the upper grades, the grammar and writing, they had those grammar books, and then they had writing templates. Or for the lower grades, they had grammar books and copy work. So in between is the fourth grade, and we decided they needed a little break and something different just to kind of see it from a different perspective and have a feeling like you're not just doing the same old every year. So fourth grade, we have a book called Helping with English, and also the Draw Right Now series that are all the animals Draw Right Now series. So when we look at the Helping with English book, I really like this book because, for instance, every page, they do one page a day, 4 days a week, and it says at the top here that the title is Using Saw, Seen, Went, and Gone. And right here you'll see help number 25. And so you get to go to the back of your book, and there's a help section. And we'll find help number 25 right here. Words that need helpers. Some words such as seen, done, and gone need other words to help them. Words used as helpers are in, is, are, was, were, has, have, had. One or more words may separate a helping word from the word it helps. And so we see here that they have some examples. Here's a list of do not need helpers. These need helpers. Another list of do not need helpers. Another list of need helpers. And so there's another little list over here. So now after reading that, the child can then go through his lesson, and if he still is confused, he can always go back to that little help. They give you a little bit of explanation right here, but if you need extra help, you can go back to the back of the book. And that continues all through the book. Help number 25, help number 13, help 22, 21, and help number 2. Yeah, it's very, very nice book. The children like to do that book. So 1 page a day of that, and that's basically their grammar and partially their writing, because there are some writing assignments in there. And then this takes place of the writing assignments or copy work. It's kind of a mixture between the two. This book, Every Child Loves. Here is the copy work that they would copy on their page. But then they need to draw this. And on the right side, it's going to tell you how to draw the beaver. So they go through the steps, and they end up with a beaver that looks like that and a beaver that looks like that. And then they should color it with all the different colorings that they do on their page. So they end up with something that's really nice looking like this. And on Fridays, again, our papers are not wasted on ourselves, and they get to choose their best paper they wrote and send it to a friend or a relative or even a stranger. They get to send it to somebody. And so they learn that when they write something, it's actually to bless other people. So that's our grammar and writing portion of the curriculum at our school for the 4th grade.